Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Concerned that Hakka customs and traditions would become obsolete, an artist by the name of Huang Zhihuan uses art as a means of evoking what is uniquely Hakka. Examples of her artwork include everyday items like shirts, clothing, and purses. Using her talent in oil painting, water painting, sculpture, and wood engraving, Huang established a special art workshop and also teaches wood carving at local elementary schools. Through artistic expression, she hopes to make traditional Hakka culture an integral part of modern life.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another edition of Let's Talk About Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello， 大家好，我係林澤秀 Joseph Lin, and this month talking about women in the Hakka culture. 今天呢，希望 Leo 可以介紹 maybe 一位這個客家文化的傑出女性。有沒有？
當然有，
特別一點的。
好，我們先介紹南部，應該是屏東那邊哦。
All right，
有一位叫做王子範。
翁子範，
對，黃子環，對，是我本家一樣。
哇，好多顏色，又黃色又紫色的。
對啊，
黃子環哦，這聽起來就很
對，很多顏色，
對，好藝術的感覺哦。
對，他就是藝術家，
藝術家哦，就是藝術家咯。
對啊。
Oh, so she is an artist because her name actually is very poetic to begin with. 那有沒有專精什麼？
其實他還蠻多才多藝的。我知道他就會做雕刻。
雕刻是什麼啊？
雕刻啦。
哦，他是 sculpting 就對了。OK， so she's a famous sculptor from Pingdong. OK， 那除了這個雕刻之外，他還會什麼嗎？
他還會做油花。
油花。油畫嗎？
是
哦，差點想到油飯去了。
油飯差一點點。
That's oil painting。然後呢？
另外，他水彩他也很厲害。
哦，水彩哦，不是青菜哦，是水彩，是水彩哦。
對，水彩。
Water painting。
其實他是一個蠻多才多藝的人，所以他就把這些油花啦、水彩啦，還有雕刻，把它融合起來，然後交給民眾。
這是好事。So this well-known female artist from Pingdong, her name again is Huang Zhihuan, has so many talents that she decided to teach her talents to students, and by teaching, she connects her students with the Hakka culture. So that's a very good thing that she's doing for the culture. 我們來這個蕊這幾個生字好了，好不好？雕刻 that's sculpting.
雕刻。
Then she also knows oil painting, 也就是油畫。
油花。
And also water painting, which is 水彩。And her name is Huang Zhihuan.
王子範。
Next time, check out her work, and I'm sure you're going to be delighted. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.